move this out of the way. We've got Santina watching this morning. Hi Santina. We've got Maya watching. Hi. Brilliant. We've got Ollie in South Africa. Hi Ollie. Brilliant. Everyone's logging on. If you haven't got the sheet for this, if you're not a patron, just write down and do it in this order. It's very important you do it in this order, because when we're doing our times tables, rather than just saying 1, 5 is 5, 2, 5 is 10, or so on, whatever times table, if you mix it up, it helps your understanding of timetables a little bit more. So if you haven't got a sheet, just write times 5, times 8, times 6, times 4, times 9, times 7, times 1, 12, 11, 10, and that mashing it up really helps your knowledge across your times tables rather than chanting them. If someone says 7 3s, 21, because you've been practicing it with individual numbers. Okay, we've got George. Hello George. We've got Zach and Henry. Hi Zach and Henry. Brilliant. We've got Alex. Hi. And Rihanna. Hello. We've got Rowan. We've got Jack and Liam. Hello. Got Iona. Hi. Jack and Liam, I'm going to look at your writing in a little bit, so thank you for that. Right, so let's do... Where have I put my times table sheet? Here it is. It's useful. So, what times tables are we doing this morning? You ready, everybody? Okay. First one. Remember, you can do them in order, so you can do this times table first, and then the next one, then the next one. So the first one is the 3s. So off you go with the 3s. You can do 3 times 5, 3 times 8. When you've done that one, you're going to be doing the 9s. Three 9s, and the last one, 5s. 5s. 3 9s and 5s this morning. There we go. So obviously I gave you all a bit of time to have a go at those. Got Sophia, got Logan, hi. I'm going to let you all concentrate now, so I'll step away for a minute or two. So 3 9s and 5s. So those of you just joining in, I am here. I'm just letting everyone concentrate. So we're having a go at 3 times table, our 9 times table, and our 5 times table this morning. So those of you just joining in, we're just doing our times tables. We're doing our 3s, our 9s and our 5s. I'm going to give you all about 30 seconds. Don't worry if you've not finished. We'll just get started. So when I start, if you're still going, you can either mute for a second so you can focus, or you can just ignore me while I talk, because obviously the answers are all on the page, so you can come back and check it and amend or tick whichever ones you got. It's that balance of not knowing how, because here obviously I can't see you as a class, so I don't know who's finished and who's waiting. So, okay. So start with the threes. So 3 5s are 15. Okay. 3 8s are 24. 6 3s are 18. 3 4s are 12. Okay. 3 9s are 27. 3 7s are 21. So I've done those three so far. So 15, 24, 18, 12, 27 and 21. Obviously 1 3 is 3. 12 3s are 36. 11 3s are 33. 10 3s are 30. 3 3s are 9. And 2 3s are 6. So well done if you got those. Don't worry if you made a little mistake, so it's all good learning. Okay, 9s. Now, I always put... See, the thing is, the 9 times table has changed a lot since we did that 9 times table, because we just had to know them. You just had to know 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, and so on. Whereas you've got, obviously, all the, like, you've got, some of you use the hand trick, the finger trick. Sometimes there's I use a written method to help those who don't know the 9 times table and balancing the 1s and the 10s and how 1 goes up and 1 goes down. But at the same time, like I say, if you know like 4 9s, it's so much, if you know quickly with recount what they are, it's really, really good. Okay, so like 9 5s, 45. Something like that. Sorry, I'm going to sneeze in a second. 9 8s, 72. 6 9s. What's 6 9s? 54. 9 4s, 36. 9 9s, 81. 9 7s, 63. And another way of doing it is, even though we're doing our 9s, even though the 9 is the focus times table, for each one, you could think of it as what is that 1 time. So 54 is 6 less than 50, 6 less than 10 times 6. You could always think, even if you're not sure, right, what's 9 times 40? Well, what's 40 take away 4? 36. So because you're almost at the 10 times table, just take 1 off of the number that you're multiplying by 9. So for example, I mean, we know that 1 9 is now, but for this one, let's see, for like, so 3 9s, if you just happen to get muddled with 3 9s, so they're like 10 3s are 30, and if I subtract 3, that's 27. So that's a trick way of doing it. So 10 9s are 90, 11 9s are 99, 12 9s are 108, 99, 90 and 18. So well done if you got those. And last one, 5s. 5s are okay. It's quite easy counting up in 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. But again, on the spot, it can be a bit like, oh, actually, what is it? So 5 5s, 25. 8 5s, 40. So it's not necessarily, if someone said 8 5s, rather than going 5, 10, 15, which you can do, but if you know it like that, it helps your maths across the whole curriculum. 5 6s, 30. 4 5s, 20. 9 5s, 45. 7 5. 7 5s. So with that one, this is I think one of the more complicated ones, because they're 2 odd numbers, and I've seen a lot of kids sort of, I don't know what it is, they get confused between which 5 it is. So if you ever get confused, go back to 6 5s are 30, and then 7 5s must be 35. I always see for that answer either 25, 35 or 45. They know it ends in a 5 because it's an odd number. So go back to 6 5s, 30, and then add your 5 on to make it 35. So another trick for you there. 1 5 is 5, 12 5s are 60, 11 5s are 55, 10 5s are 50, 3 5s are 15, and 2 5s are 10. Let me know how you did. Let me know how you did. Oh, we've got a couple of you writing all the answers out. Did okay? 4 marks? Nearly. Don't worry if you got 100 but didn't get 4 marks. So you're finished. Yay! Let's have a look. Yay, well done. I got them all right. Amazing. Just made one mistake. Yeah, don't worry if you just made one mistake. If you know I make mistakes, so I only got 100%. Brilliant. I was doing some subtracting yesterday. Oh no, I was doing some percentage of numbers and long division, and I was working with a boy called Nathaniel, who's fantastic, and we do some really high level maths. And we both couldn't get this answer. We knew what the answer was. We checked it on the calculator, and I was going over the subtraction. He was checking his, I was checking mine, and then I realised I had written 5 take away 5 is 1, when we know it's not. 5 take away 5 is 0. And it's just that you know it's wrong, and you've got to find out where that mistake is. So we all make mistakes. 36 and 36 for Jack and Liam. Fantastic. Yes, another 36 out of 36. Amazing, 100%. Well done. Right, you may go and enjoy the rest of your Friday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you next week. I need to put up the stuff for next week, don't I? So I'll be on that very, very soon. If you do have any requests coming up for Maths Live, I've had 2 requests this week. Send them in, and I'll see what I can do. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye bye.